Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey baby guys, hey boys, what's good? So today I'm coming up to you with another beautiful cut crease eye look, and I'm loving the way this look turned out to. So, and yeah, I didn't want to get life twisted for anyone out there. You know how we do this. No further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I come up with this eye and lip combo, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. What I use are going to be listed down below. All right, so don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care of each other. So for my eyeshadow base, I'm going to be taking the Lóréal concealer. In the concealer, I'm going to be taking this Lóréal blend the brush. But I have to apply a little bit of setting powder on. To achieve this eye look, I'm going to be taking this Beautyaritst Color Studio pressed eyeshadow brush called Blender G115. So I'm going to start up with this brownish shade right here. I'm going to blend my crease, not to my crease. Of course, it's my crease color. Into this beautiful, I'm just going to blend that as well to my crease. Taking this Silver Eye Blender shade, this shade right here. The reason why I'm using the smaller brush, I still want you to see the first two shades that I apply. I don't want to lose them. Beautiful dark purple shade right here. I'm doing my eye like this so that I can really get to that corner. Beautiful nude shade right here. Just blend everything in place. I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to be taking the Lóréal concealer, the one I use as my eyeshadow base. To let that dry. While that is drying down, I'm just going to pat it. When I use a concealer brush to apply my eyeshadow, it kind of stay more pink shade. To do that off camera, apply my wing liner. I'll be right back to finish under my eye and my lip. Okay, so guys, we are back. So I'm just going to take this Malvin brush and I'm taking this beautiful shade right here to apply that on my outer corner first before I go in with the second shade right here, because it's so beautiful and at the same time pigment. I'm going to play around how sooner or later. Tap, 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 tap. Whoa, that's beautiful. I think this shade is going to serve as my highlight, my inner corner highlighter. My lips, I'm going to be taking the Alveda lip liner in brown. I'm going to be taking this liquid lipstick by Essence, and this one is called Let's Chill. Cute girl. That's pretty much it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you do enjoy or inspired. Okay, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care, love you, ciao.
Beautiful images everywhere.